So, getting ready to go on a trip, 2 weeks in Australia and Japan. Now, the bag that I packed is actually smaller than the last one I took to India and Singapore, but this is everything that's packed in there. And I did this today before I stumbled across a couple of YouTube videos that talked about how to make a Ranger roll, which apparently can wrap things up even tighter. So I'm going to give that a try and see how much space I consume when I'm done there. So this will be a fun experiment. Okay, so I Ranger rolled everything as best as I could there. Not an expert at it, it'll probably take some practice. One thing I will note is that it takes a little bit of extra time to do this. So if you're packing in a hurry, this might not be the way you want to do it. But let's see now how everything will fit. I left my shoes in there and some socks that were already kind of rolled up and stuffed in the shoes. Now, you remember seeing it before, so let's see what it does now after I pack everything in there. All right, so the question becomes, did I gain that much extra space? Probably I did. Not a huge amount, given that I'm not traveling with a particularly large suitcase, but I can see a noticeable difference in the ability to be able to put my toiletry bag and my dress jacket in there. So if anything, it looks neater. Maybe the next thing I should try are packing cubes or compression bags and stuff. See how much more I can compact it down. But if anything else, it does look a little bit neater anyways and a lot less homogeneous. So, I don't know. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.